So this is the Onson robot vacuum full auto cleaning, and this is the mop cleaning. Right now the floor is clean because I'm trying to do mop without any dust on it, so I can see how it works. So with the auto cleaning, it does go to different directions. It sets itself up as soon as you turn it on, and then if you pay attention to the floor, since I have water in it, it should show you like it's a little shiny. The shiny floor is where when the mop passes or the vacuum passes. You see that? You can control how much water comes out of the mop, and I have it forwarded like this so you can see. So it does go in different direction. It goes to zigzag or the edge cleaning, but I'll show you each mode. See, that's the edge clean. So it just cleans on the edges, and then it does the zigzag cleaning. You can do manual as well if you want. You can do it in the remote. If you want to just leave it running on its own, you want to make sure that I have blocked, so I want it to be in just that particular space cleaning. So I blocked it in. See, it goes back and forth to each mode for the vacuum. And I did increase the water output, so you can see that now it's visible, the water. So basically the floor is clean, so once I show you the mop, you can see how much dirt is in there. But again, this is the edge cleaning, and I will show you at the very end how the mop looks like. This is how it looks after that cleaning. So next step is wash it, and you can use it again. I'll show it to you later on.